How to set up IVR. Firstly, log into your account portal using your 10-digit customer ID and password. Now, click on Service Number Management, then, click on your 1300 or 1800 number. Navigate to Audio Library to upload your audio files. Begin by naming your first audio file, for example, greeting or welcome message. Select the radio dial next to audio file, then select Choose File to browse your computer for your recording. Once you have found your recording, click the Create button. Repeat these steps for each of your audio files. Now that all of your audio files are uploaded to the audio library, you may close this pop-up window. Go to the drop-down box under Forward Incoming Calls to, and select Insert IVR Menu. Select each of your audio files using the drop-down under the corresponding heading. Now select Add a label to name this menu option, for example, New Sales. Then click Set Label. This will make it easier to navigate your IVR setup in future. Next, click the box named Add IVR option to add your next menu option. Repeat the previous two steps for as many menu options as you require. Now that all of your menu options are in place, in the box labeled Phone Number, enter the mobile or landline number that you wish to answer calls on for each menu option. Once all of your menu options are in place, scroll up to select the green Save button. When saving is completed, ensure that you place a test call to your service number.